Last train riders, keep your ticket. Keep it. I fell asleep on the last train home, woke at a stop I didn't know. The car was empty except for a conductor walking the aisle. Old uniform, older face. Tickets, he said gently. I showed mine on my phone. He looked relieved. Paper's better. Phones die. He clipped the air above my screen with an antique punch. Then he checked the seat behind me. The empty seat behind me. Ticket accepted, he told the empty seat. End of the line for you. Part 2 is on the channel.